just heard some weird noises in the sky. This is no joke. Do you guys hear that? It's coming that way. It is some weird shit, yeah. Anybody, that's some weird stuff. What is it behind? This, I don't even know. That's definitely coming from the sky. And being on top of a mountain, living on a mountain home, that's just, it's coming from over there. Now it stopped. Okay, that's weird. That's some weird crap. That's some weird crap, dude. Hear me out, people. That's some weird crap. Weird crap there, dude. Weird crap. These bullet holes? Holy crap, I can feel my finger in there. It's like holes or something. God. That's funny, anything else was there. That was some weird noises though, dude. Yay. Oh, perfect. And I knocked this piece down. That piece is done. Is this piece of a roof? It's a part of our roof. Oh god, I can't. Yeah, those weird noises stopped. Abusing a tree. Oh, it's tree stuff, actually. Can I actually break more of it off? Oh god, I can break more of it. Oh god, that was a fail. Come on.